Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by writing the original function f, x, and plotting its key points, the intercept, a few x equals 1 or x equals 1 points, and any peaks. Once done, pick your vertical factor a, greater than 1 for stretch, between 0 and 1 for shrink. Make sure to label the y-axis with a comfortable scale. Use ticks for each unit or halves like 0. 5. This step matters because every y-coordinate will be multiplied, so accurate plotting early prevents scaling errors later. Now multiply each original y value by your factor a, y new equals a times y original. For example, if it is 2 and a point was 1, 3, it becomes 1, 6. If it is 0, 5 then 2, 4 becomes 2, 2. You see why we keep digits, no ambiguity. Once you compute these, mark them precisely on the same x positions. Also, redraw any horizontal features like asymptotes, because their vertical positions change proportionally. This step makes the transformation. Finally, connect the transformed points with the same smoothness or curvature as the original. You are not altering x behavior, only vertical magnitude. Once connected, test 2 or 3 extra x values. Compute y new from a f, x, and confirm they lie on your sketch. If things look off, check your y-axis scale and recalculate any suspect y values. Common errors are mismultiplying by a or misreading ticks. If needed, erase and replot the problematic points. That fixes most mistakes immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.